So what is the purpose of BPDU? What is the use function of BPDU? Explain me root bridge election process. ये इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन है. अच्छा, इंटरव्यू में पूछेगा आपको. फॉर एग्जांपल आपने बोला मुझे मैं आई हैव स्टडीड स्विचिंग, मतलब फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन विल बी कैन यू एक्सप्लेन अस हाउ द रूट ब्रिज इलेक्शन प्रोसेस हैपेंस. वो पूछा है, जनरल क्वेश्चन है, इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन. एक्सप्लेन एसटीपी रूट ब्रिज इलेक्शन प्रोसेस. सो एसटीपी कैसा रूट ब्रिज को एलेक्ट करेगा. To take a bridge ID, there are two information or two parameters. Or now in this scenario, if you see there are three. Now I'm going to do this lab. Okay, I'm going to show this lab to you. Okay. Now before doing the lab, I am going to explain you the function. The same thing we are going to see in the lab. That's all. Okay. There's nothing difference. No difference. Okay. If you understand the theory, here you are not going to do the lab. You're going to just create that. Automatically everything happens. You can just see the lab. 10768 is the default number, default bridge priority number. So how it is happening is, first is checking the bridge priority number. अभी priority number क्या है सब में? अभी same मतलब next हम देखेंगे MAC address. अभी MAC address में just example के लिए मैं 111.222 दिया हूँ, but real time में वो exact MAC address format आएगा. But here just to understanding के लिए मैं 111.222 दिया हूँ. अच्छा, अभी इसमें कौन lowest MAC address कौन है? Now STP has three functions. One is election of root bridge. Second is other switches will find the best path to root bridge. Third is, now say first function we understood. Now we are going to the second function. If you go to the second function, अभी देखिए तो other switches को best path ढूंढना है. उसके लिए first हमको दो concept पढ़ना है आपको. First हमको पढ़ना पड़ेगा, समझना पड़ेगा roles and responsibilities, STP port, roles and responsibilities, और algorithm. What is the selection algorithm? So there are two things you have to understand. आपने ये सब लिखा है क्या? You have written this in notebook. So you have written the roles and responsibilities and best path selection algorithm. So that next हम एक exercise करेंगे. उस exercise में मैं आपको पूछूंगा what is the algorithm. You have to explain me, okay?
Okay, sir. So I'm writing down again.
Yeah, write down. Take your time. Write down. Once you write down, just put D in the chat window.
Okay.
Everybody write down. I want you to draw this diagram. Write down this what are written in the paint, right? So the idea of creating a paint is you also create a diagram and write down. Understood, right? Basically, whenever you say in the switch this port is a root port, from that port you can go to root bridge. Okay, so the best port, the best path port is our root port. Understand? Next, what is the role of DP? What is the role of PP? So there is a number link cost table is available. Okay, if you remember yesterday I showed you. If you're not written, you write down that. I will show you in the PPT. What is the slide number? Remember? So what is why I'm putting 19? Why I'm putting 4? Why I'm putting 2? Right? You need to understand. Automatically, these numbers will come in the lab in the switch, but you need to understand why these numbers are coming. Correct? What is the role for SW1 port interface 1? RP means it will go to root bridge. When I say the port is RP, from that port interface you have to go to root bridge. If I say 1 is RP, from 1 I need to go to root bridge. Whenever I say one switch as a DP, a root bridge, all ports are what port? What role will it take? This DP will take. The role it will take is designated port. Understand?
Yes.
Forwarding port. Next, SW2. There are two interfaces, 1 and 2, right? To reach root bridge, it can go like this. It can go like this. Two ways, correct? So if I go like this, what is the link cost? If I go through interface 1, what is the link cost? Switch 2 to go to root bridge. If I go via interface 1, it is 4. If I go via interface 2, it is 12, right? So which is lowest? 1 or 2?
The 4, yeah, 1. It would be switch 4.
SW2, which interface is why switch 4 you are going? SW2, I mean SW2. Tell me there are two interfaces, na? Which is the best route? Best interface, best path to reach root bridge? 1 or 2? So SW3 has to go to root bridge. There are two paths, right? One is via 1, via 2, right? One interface 1, interface 2. So you are saying 2. 2 is how much? What is the link cost? Now let's start with the SW2. Tell me SW2, which is the best path to go to root bridge? If I am going via path number 2, interface 2,
is go like all the way 2, then 3, then 4, then yeah, the cost will be will become.
What is the cost?
It will be 12.
12. So I am giving, if I go like this, it is 4. If I go like this, it is 12, right? So lowest is this one. That's why I'm making this as a root port. 1 is root port because the link cost is 4.
Okay, got it, sir.
Other interface, it is always 12, highest
Yes, yes.
cost. So it is checking now. Now third question. SW4, which interface is root port? This interface, this link is the redundant link, okay?
Yes,
Between
yes,
4
yes.
to SW4 to SW3. So in that, which side you put blocking port? I don't know. So what I will do, I'll use the rule. The rule says, in these two switches, who is having lowest bridge ID, make that as a redundant link. Make that as a DP. In these two switches, who is having lowest bridge ID, that will become DP. That interface will become designated
DP.
port. Understand?
Yeah.
The other
Yes.
side will be we are blocking that, putting the tree. Next, SW2, find the best path to reach root bridge, correct? Other switches. So in this case, bridge area also same. Same switch,
Yes.
na? One switch, right? Then third, you have to, then third step. What is the third step algorithm says is lowest,
Then yeah, port number.
that will be the best path, okay? So
Yes.
this is my root port. You have you have got two buckets. In that one chocolate is there, two chocolate is there. Who is lowest? If I
Uh,
give number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I ask what is the lowest number. You can say 1 is the lowest number. No. Now you have 10 interfaces. Okay. In that, see the number which is having lowest number. That interface will become the best path. Understood? When you connect a switch, there are some colors will come. You ever observed the colors? When you connect PC to switch, in packet tracer there will be orange color, red color, green color. You seen that? Go to the states, listening, learning, forwarding, like that. Okay. Each state there is a function. Listening state will send BPDUs. See any block, any loop is there. Learning state will update the MAC address table. He said the real data is forwarded. Understand? I'll give some name for that. SW1. Some name I'll give. Okay. Now in STP, as I told you, nothing to configure. Automatically everything will be configured. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just to see that, to understand that. That's all. I'm going to connect the cable. Same devices means we'll use crossover cable. Power on. There's no power, is there? Okay. Let's put the power in support supply. I'm putting power supply in all the devices because there's no power supply. No, it will not work.
Yes, sir.
Now you see the color, right? It's red, no?
Yes, sir.
See, once I put the power supply, it will become green, orange and green. Now it is changing to orange. That is the state I was telling you, listening, learning, forwarding, remember?
Yes.
So it is now learning, listening, learning is happening. STP started working already. As I told you, STP, we don't need to configure. By default, it will work. Now we'll come to this switch, okay? So what is the command to see the spanning tree? Source spanning tree. What is the command?
Source spanning tree.
That's all, okay? This is the command. You can note down also. We are not going to configure anything. Already spanning tree started working. Spanning tree has done that, send the BPDU, find the election of bridge happened, best path selection happened, everything happened. It blocked also. What I explained you, right? Everything automatically happened. This SW2, I have given this command. What command I gave? So once I give this command, you see this is the answer. So bridge ID says your priority number is 32768 and the number VLAN number is 1. So total number is 3276869. Why 9 coming is adding the VLAN number also. And remember, bridge ID has two things, right? Priority and MAC address, correct?
Sir, I got this one. So why we added the VLAN number?
Why means if you have multiple VLANs, for every VLAN, it automatically create one bridge ID. For one VLAN, one bridge ID, right? If you have multiple VLANs, it will create multiple bridge IDs. The purpose of adding VLAN number is when you have multiple VLANs, you can run multiple STPs. It's called, see, STP, na? See, STP is there, right? STP is the lowest protocol. The enhancement is called PVSTP, per VLAN STP. Uska enhancement is there, RSTP, Rapid Spanning Tree Protocol. RSTP बोलेगा. उसका enhancement is MSTP. Like that it keeps on going. Okay, understand? Now we are studying what? Now we are studying.
We are studying STP. Yes,
STP.
yes.
Now what is PVSTP? Per VLAN STP. मतलब एक एक VLAN के लिए मैं एक एक STP बनाऊंगा. क्या करूँगा?
Okay, we can create only one.
Now we are not going to create anything. Automatically happens. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So for every VLAN, I will create one STP per VLAN STP. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So वो कैसे करेगा? So what it does is whenever you create multiple VLANs, each VLAN ke liye using this number, right? The priority number will change. 10, 20 you put, no 10. This 10, we'll add 10 here. Understand? 20 VLAN number 20 means 20 will be added here. Understand?
Okay, got it. Yes, sir. Yes.
To do PVSTP, this extra one more is added here to do PVSTP. There is a feature called PVSTP, Advanced of STP. There it will use for every VLAN, it will create one STP.
Yes, yes, yes.
So now to differentiate the VLAN, different VLANs, it is also adding the VLAN numbers with the priority number. So this is the function of STP. Now let us go and see the other switches also, same command, okay, how it looks like. So now you see here, one is root port, one is blocking.
Okay, sir.
Other available, but my intention is this much. If you understand in CCNA level, more than enough. But to do PVSTP, RSTP, and MSTP, all these things is there. But I don't want to get confused now because people will get this itself is too much, right? If too much, I push, right? I can teach. I know I can teach everything now. But what will happen? Oh, bounce ho jayega. So let them practice this. Understand this STP. Once you understand STP, you come with me. I'm understood STP. Then I will teach you PVSTP, RSTP.
Yes, sir. No problem. Thank you, sir.
Otherwise, what will happen? If you don't know basics of IP addressing, I directly teach you subnetting. What will happen?
Right, sir.
So, ABCD first seek low. That is the idea, right? See, these all are enhancements. Enhancement मतलब इसका थोड़ा one feature add होगा बस. But yes, core is this is the core. What I taught you, right? इसमें थोड़ा like for example PVSTP में क्या होगा? PVSTP में आपको एक VLAN के लिए एक STP बनाकर देंगे हम बस. That is extra. Rest all is same.
Okay, sir.
समझे?
Yeah, got it.
और
yes,
RSTP
sir,
में क्या होगा? RSTP में क्या होगा? Slowly होगा. STP में it will be 50 seconds will take. Slow में once ये primary fail हो गया है ना, secondary आने के लिए 50 seconds लगेगा. RSTP में immediately आ जाएगा. Rapid मतलब fast. Rapid train, you know, rapid train.
Yeah.
Rapid means fast. So immediately आ जाएगा. That is RSTP. ये आपको पहला समझ में आना चाहिए, लैब करना चाहिए. ये सब लैब कर आ गया तो मैं नेक्स्ट आपको टीच करूंगा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक्स. आई एम रेडी टू टीच. द ओनली थिंग इज you do some practice and come back, then I'll go next level. नहीं तो क्या होगा? I'll just push you, it will bounce. So I am not ready to do that. Okay. My only idea is I will teach little also, but at least you must clear on the topic.
Okay, sir.
उतना कम पढ़ाऊंगा ना, at least वो इतना clear आ गया ना, वो next topic अब YouTube पे भी सीख सकता है. You can go to YouTube, you'll understand. You got me point, right? Self study भी हो जाएगा.
Yes, sir. Got it.
But now what I taught you, right, today class is very very important class. आपको starting से मैं explain किया STP क्या है, वो कैसे काम करेगा, उसको कैसे टेस्ट करना है, right? Just show is showing that what is happening, right? We are not configuring anything, na?
Right, sir.
Yes, showing. Tell them to show the spanning tree, right? So we didn't configure anything in spanning tree, right?
Right.
So by default it works. So just do this and tell me it is working. Send me the file to me in my email. Then we can go to next topics.
Yes,
I am
sir.
ready to teach any topic, but my only concern is you need to understand the basics first. CCNA में our CCNA is basics. Okay, not the advanced topic. Advanced topic is CCNP में आएगा.
Okay, sir. Got it.
आपको basic समझ में आना चाहिए, detail clearly आना चाहिए. Now my only in CCNA class, my only focus is teaching you the basics very clearly, right? Not the all configurations, all topics. वो नहीं चाहिए मुझे. Got it?
Yes, yes.
I taught you the core part. STP कैसे काम करेगा. What is PVSTP, RSTP? Just understand the theory level. PVSTP is per VLAN STP है. उसमें एक PVLAN के लिए एक STP बनाएंगे. RSTP है फास्ट में काम करेगा. स्लो में 50 सेकंड्स लगेगा. एक प्राइमरी फेल हो तो सेकेंडरी आने के लिए 50 सेकंड्स लगेगा. RSTP में फास्ट में आ जाएगा बस. You understand? उतना ही.
Yes. Okay.
That is clear. Understand. That means more than enough. But now if you do this lab, I can show you extra labs also. I have so many labs available, but that all things I will touch now. You will bounce back, bounce हो जाएगा आपको. Okay. पहला ये lab करना. Just send me this lab, then I can go to next level. In the same lab, I can show you so many things.
Okay, sir.
You got it, right?
Yes,
you can do a lot of things in this, but that is all goes advanced level. These are not big topics. Understand? Like STP, we have studied no big topic. No, it is simple features. Okay. So simple features है. इसलिए मैं आपको teach करूँगा. I can finish it in 1 hour.
Okay.
Two topics is there: ether channel and interval and routing. Right. With that, we are finishing switching and we are starting routing. Okay.
Okay.
So this week we are finishing the switching almost. So next week onwards we'll start routing. So next week we'll finish routing means next week we'll finish like that. Within 3 weeks we'll finish all the within 3 weeks 20 we'll finish all the CCNA. Okay. So then this is 1 day. So let for example take 1 week. First week 1. If you do the lab, I'll show you this root bridge port first RSTP also. This labs also. These labs are like one command only, small topics. But first you need to finish the STP and come. This 8, 9, 10 is there, na? There is one lab is there. 1, 5, 5, 2 minutes it will take to show me. But you need to finish STP and come, then I'll show you. Okay. Port fast RSTP lab. Okay.
Okay.
That I'll show you. Okay. It will take 5 minutes to show you. Then EC, anyhow tomorrow I'm going to teach the theory and lab. Both I'll show you. Okay. Router stick I'll show you tomorrow. Both I'll show you tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any questions? Is this clear? Plan is clear? The packet goes like this. It comes back. It is blocked here. So it will not go. This loop will not create. The moment this link is the moment this link is down, then it will become green. See, I'll show you that also. If you want to see that, you can see that. Do it and see. For example, I go to SW2. I will make this link down, interface down. Configure terminal. Interface gig. This interface become red, right? Now what will happen? I made the interface down, primary interface down. Now what final tree will do? It will make the one become root port, and it is in listening state. Listening, then learning. This is learning state. See, LSN is listening, LRN is learning. Then it will come to forwarding. So this link is down means automatically the redundant link will become but it will take 50 seconds time. To make it faster only we are using RSTP. I told you there is a protocol called RSTP which will no need to wait 50 seconds. Now it's waiting 50 seconds, right? For everything. We no need to wait, we can use RSTP.